This is a place in Calumet City, Illinois. It's been a repair shop that I keep going past off of Torrance. It has been locked up, cars inside of it for at least a year. So we're going on that back, we'll go to the front just a second. So there's cars in here. That place at the end is definitely empty. Car wash, maybe, but there's no cars that come back here, at least in the front anymore. These same vehicles have been seen here for a year. This place looks like it's empty too. And all the place is boarded up. It's next to Kakula's, next to AutoZone. Looks like stuff in the dumpster, but we never see the place open. Unless the dumpster's never emptied. There's cars, tires in there, but I have never seen anyone here in a while. I guess you can't park around here. One repair shop's he's got drywall damage all over inside of there. There's still cars and trucks in here. There's like a tow truck. All the dust and dirt. Wow. Tow trucks. They put these tow stickers on them a while back, and it's just fully. So you tell me it's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Some repair shops stay open. So you tell me this place is in business or not.